Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Take food processor or mixture jar. 2 cup green gram sprouts. 2 cloves of garlic. Small size of ginger. 3 green chili or as require. Half cup fresh mint leaves. Half cup coriander. Half roughly chopped onion. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Half whisked egg. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons breadcrumbs. Half a teaspoon carom seeds. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. Grind it coarsely. Take it out in a bowl. Heat the oil for deep fry. Make the lemon-size ball. Fry on medium flame for 2 minutes. Flip the side. Fry until it golden brown. Drain the excess oil. Green gram snacks is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.